Hello everyone, my name is Munid and welcome to Sus 2 101 Material Editor Crash Course. Today we are going to create a simple material using CC0's textures free assets. Before we are going to create a material, we have to understand how it's built. A material in Source 2 is a PBR. PBR stands for Physical Based Rendering, meaning that a material will have different layers, which will tell the engine how to show us the texture, the material itself. A material is built into 4 layers in the Source 2 engine: a color map, a normal map, a roughness map, and an ambient occlusion map. To create a new texture, you're going to open the material editor and click on new textures. For you, it will be grayed out. In that case, you would have to go to Tools, Option, and allow editing of a unmetallic material. For you, it would look like this. You couldn't open anything, and nothing would happen, because if you don't tick the settings, you will have to first save the material. In our case, we were going to use this rock material here. I've already downloaded it. When you download it and you open the zip file, you're going to see 5 different images. In our case, those are the textures. One is called ambient occlusion, one is color, one is the displacement, one is the normal, and one is the roughness. In our case, Source 2 doesn't have a displacement map, which means we can discard this. Don't need the displacement. We only need the ambient occlusion, the color, normal, and roughness. I already prepared something. In that case, I'm going to my content folder, Half-Life VR add-on, in the tutorial, and we have a material folder created here, in which we are going to create a texture folder, and we're going to paste our 4 textures. In my case, I already renamed the roughness and the ambient occlusion to underline AO and underline rough. That's just for the engine to recognize those images, and we don't have to search them manually. Anyway, now in the materials editor, we're going to need to create and define which image, which texture is what. So we're going to search them by clicking on this folder icon, going onto materials and the texture folder. As you can see, we're instantly getting the texture, the underlying color texture. We're just going to double click it or select it and open. We're going to do the same to the normal, roughness, and ambient occlusion. Just select and open it. In our case, we would have already created a texture, or we would have, better said, we would already have a material. As you can see, a preview is not available yet, because we don't have the material itself saved. Simply going to save it now. Going to the materials folder, I call it walk 035, and save it. It always takes a little bit of time, because now it's rendering the texture itself. As you can now see, we are having a material. The material editor is also packing with a lot of different options, which you can get if you change your shader from VR Simple, which should be the default shader, where you only have 3 different options, to VR Complex, which should always be your default when you want to create the most the best resources, materials, I mean. In VR Complex, you're also going to have multiple new options. First, on the PBR is the specular map. The specular map allows your material to reflect and we are also be able to now make it self-illuminating, which means that if you're going to create a self-illum map, as we can see slowly, the material is getting brighter and brighter, which means that the material itself is also be able to shine light. We could also use a metalless texture in case our object would be a metal object. This would just simply define where light would reflect on it, so we can see our reflection. We could also use a diffuse wrap or different other settings. But now it's basically already done, and we are having our first material, which we just need to save, and then we can apply in the Hammer editor. And now, after applying our material in Hammer editor, we can see our texture in game working all perfectly fine. I hope you guys liked this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and pay a visit on the our Discord server, and see you in the next episode.